Hi, Miss Perry's class. I am here to read a book to you about one of my favorite subjects. It's not math, it's not writing, it's not social studies, it's not reading, it's science. Do you know what a scientist is? A scientist is someone that tries to find new information by solving problems. They do experiments, they test things, and sometimes they just observe. Observe means to watch. So I'm going to read this book to you just to introduce you to some of the science tools that you might see in school. And bear with me because I'm still trying to get this reading aloud in front of a camera thing together. So this is our book, Science Tools. And what is on the front cover? Some science tools. You may have seen some of these before. This is a ruler, but yes, it's a science tool. Remember, when we look at a book, this is the front cover, this is the spine, and this is the back cover. The author is the person that writes the words, and the illustrator is the one that does the pictures, either with a camera or by drawing or painting. These are science tools. Here is a funnel. You may have seen one of these in your kitchen. Somebody in your house might have used it to pour a liquid into a jar or a powder into a jar. It makes transferring things from containers a little bit easier. Here's a picture of him using it. It says it is for pouring. Here is a ruler. I'm sure you've seen one of these somewhere before. They're used to measure. And you can also use the straight edge to help you draw straight lines. It is for measuring. What is she measuring? She's measuring some leaves. Here is a magnifier. It's also called a hand lens or a magnifying lens. And when you look through it, it makes things bigger, so you can see smaller things easier. It is good for looking. He's looking at a feather. Why can't I get this straight? Here is an eyedropper. You use it to squeeze liquids into the tube so that you can put them somewhere else. It is for adding. Here she is adding food coloring to the water. She's being a scientist right now. Here is a scale. What do they have on either sides up there? Let's see, we've got a lot of little rocks and one big rock. I wonder what they're doing with those. We have these in our classroom. It is for weighing. You can tell that the bigger rock is heavier because it's lower than the littler rocks. And it looks like he's adding rocks to make it heavier so that they'll balance out. Pretty cool, right? And here are pencils for writing it all down. So you see, you are already a scientist because you're using journals and pencils in class already. It's important for scientists to write down information that they find out so that they can see how things are getting better, if they're solving the problem that they want to solve, or if they want to share their information with somebody. Thanks for learning about scientists and science tools. Bye.